Hi, friends. It's another off-the-wall video. We are going to the rock show. Once again, it's not that kind of show. The Rock and Gem Show is in town. Today is the last day. Last year, I freaking missed it, and I don't want to do that this year. I'm looking for something very special there. We'll get into more details later. And I'm going to meet some friends down there. That should be interesting. I don't know if they want to be on camera or not. If so, these guys are freaking hilarious. Update on the van. No check engine light. I just almost hit something in the road. I need to pay it. There's another something. Somebody's falling apart in front of me. The HVAC system is working freaking great. I did get a random misfire on number 5, which will be on this side front. So I decided I got a couple choices basically. I can either leave it be and hopefully it doesn't rear its ugly head until spring, which is not my luck, or go ahead and dig into it and see what the heck's going on. Pretty sure the coil pack's going bad. I'm getting good fuel pressure, so it's not the injectors. Fun fact, there's the Bear plant. It stinks like heck year-round over there. Back to the motor. Yep, got sidetracked again. So tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and check it out. And in order to get to it, I have to pull off most of the air inlet system or the breather to the intake, pull the fuel rails off, pop off half the electrical system on top of it, and pop the injectors out. So I figured since I'm going to do all that, she does have some little bouncies, high mileage on her. Might as well change the spark plugs while I'm there and then check out the coil packs, which I'm probably going to change. Okay, that has been enough rambling. I'll bring you back when we get to the rock show. Yeah, just don't get weird, Paul.
Too late. All kinds of cool stuff, huh? Look at a rhino horn.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh, there it is. I can see it now.
And these yellows are half price, and these are, you know, quarters. That's half price.
That's so cool.
That's $6.90.
Oh.
Yeah, these are the centers are about 40, 50. Big chunks. Yeah.
That's only $25.
Yeah.
You can get a good look at it.
And we actually got those from the guys who dig up the dinosaur stuff.
Oh, look at that amber.
We're all good friends.
That's cool.
Yep.
Hey, this was a collector.
Spent way too much money here. I can't get it in the light.
These are...
That's my very favorite piece.
That is nice.
Isn't that amazing? I love that piece. And I almost sold it yesterday, but the gal wanted to do it. There was 2 of them. She couldn't decide.
Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, those are cool.
Okay. Yeah. Made those. What?
The feathers?
Yeah.
Look at these skulls there. I can't see it in the light.
This is the first to show.
Really?
The skulls, yeah.
This is so neat.
That is cool.
This is my favorite.
Can I touch?
Oh, look at that.
Looks like it's got pyrite in it. Come on, I get in the light. I can't see it, Debbie.
It's all gorgeous.
Yeah, really. That's supposed to be in the original place. They have no room for me. They put me here. So, like the original. Right? Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Hey, Paul, I'm rich. I found pyrite.
Pyrite. There you go.
Actually, this is really cool, the turquoise. Oh, they got birds.
Oh, we got a couple of macaws.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's a picture of this one. See? Change
Ooh.
the water. Look at that. Don't believe it. See?
That's freaking cool, man. What is that? Actually smells good, too.
25 cents a gram.
Oh. Oh. What the heck?
Oh.
Look at that blade. What is that?
I don't know.
It's the same exact same location.
It washed out. That's freaky. Like
Dragon.
yeah. Oh.
I have several different wavelengths.
Fine, how are you doing?
That's nice.
Beautiful obsidian. I like the one with the,
The eagle's really cool.
oh yeah. Unless you want a deer foot. Yeah, not really.
These are great for flaying up meat.
Oh, right here? Oh, right here.
You just got to be so careful with them.
Yeah, what's cool is that if you get dull, you just
Yeah.
knock them
Split in half.
few flakes. You're right back in business.
These are so awesome. Did you make them yourself or have them made?
No, those
This was one gentleman who was in a state.
Okay.
We bought it this year.
Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Oh. And look how huge that is. Oh, that's more money than I want. I don't think they're a dinosaur.
Shark teeth.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh. This is like lifesavers. Paul, you want a lifesaver? Bite down on that sucker.
I like the green mint one. It's the same thing we use for plumbing.
Right? Plumb tube.
Yeah, for the cast iron pipes that you got to break open to get rid.
Interesting. Huh, tomahawk. I mean, I like the white, but that's not obsidian. I don't know what that is. Feel it. Is it bone?
Yeah, it's got to be a bone.
Yeah.
Yeah, bone.
Yeah, because this is the obsidian. Oh, that's sharp. Really leaning towards the other ones.
Yeah.
And then you just take it and break them open.
Yeah. Use that
Yeah.
pipe cutter thing and
Look at the little ones. Oh, look at
$10
this.
each.
It's kind of cool.
That's these right here, and then the bigger ones are right there. That's probably one of them sliced up.
That's kind of what I was thinking. And you can make a base of a lamp with that. I found exactly what I was looking for. It is an obsidian knife. There was 2 of them, but I finally chose this one. I think the handle really caught my eye, the way it's wrapped, the turquoise on the back of it. One little problem I can fix later on down the road. See how the back of the blade comes at an angle? When you have your hand on there, see how it's going into your fingers right there? That's kind of dangerous. It was going for $100. We did some bargaining, and I ended up getting it right about $80, which I thought was a good freaking deal. So what is an obsidian knife good for? Well, not much, really. This thing is so fragile. If you drop this blade, it'll shatter. So you got to be really careful with it. Terrible knife for bushcrafting. Not good at all. Not good at all. Words. Why did I get it? Excellent blade for cutting meat. I mean, you could take the fat off a deer hide. You can skin a squirrel with it, fillet a fish. They are just deadly sharp. And to resharpen them, you just kind of nap them and get that edge. Oh, I almost cut myself with it already. Get that edge back. In fact, I wouldn't even put it in a knife sheath, to be honest with you. You'd have to put it in something more protective. But this is what I got. I'm very happy with it. Yes, I'm going to use it. Maybe you'll see it on my channel. I'm not sure. I'm definitely going to prepare some meals. That's been my journey, friends. This is, well, did I just bang my finger on the blade and I think I cut myself? No, we're good. So it's been another one of them off the wall videos. I'd like to thank you guys for coming along with me on it. Hopefully I can get back out in the woods soon. Yes, there's a Cooking with Bob video planned. I bought a battery powered rotisserie just for it, but that's something in the future. Well, let me know if you made it to the end. I'd like to find out. And I guess this is where I say, well, I'm just going to go ahead and say see you in the next one. And have an awesome day, evening, night, or whatever it is.